What do you do when you want to use a video from YouTube in your PowerPoint presentation? The older versions of PowerPoint allowed you to embed the YouTube video directly from the Insert toolbar in PowerPoint. However, the newer versions don't have that option. You can't download the file, but you can insert it as a flash file with a few simple steps. You will be using Visual Basic, but don't be afraid. It's easy. Let's find the YouTube video that you want to embed. This is the one we want to use. And now we're going to copy the URL, Control-C to copy, and then we're going to open our notebook and we'll paste the URL here. Now this is the URL that we're going to embed into PowerPoint. However, we can't use it as it is. We're going to have to do a little bit of editing. We will take the word watch and the question mark, highlight that, delete it, and then take the equal sign, highlight that. We're going to delete it and replace it with a /. This edited URL will allow you to embed the video in a player with a start button. That way, when you arrive at your slide, you must click it to start the movie. If you want the movie to play automatically upon opening your slide, then you will need to add the following to the end of the string of your URL. I'm going to do the and sign, auto play equal 1. So now we can minimize this. We can close out our Explorer scene and go back to our PowerPoint. For this exercise, I'll assume that you already have a PowerPoint presentation ready to go. You just want to insert a YouTube video into it. So this is the slide where we want to insert it. Again, like I said, you can't directly go to insert. We're going to have to go through Visual Basic, through the Developer tab. If you notice, we don't have a Developer tab. So first we need to show that. We go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and we have two offerings here for our ribbons, and we want to go on the right-hand side. This is in alphabetical order. Notice how Developer is not clicked. We will click Developer and select OK. Now the Developer tab appears at the top. If you click the Developer tab, you will see there's several new options available to us in this display, and we're looking for the little hammer and wrench, which is more controls. Click on that. And again, this is in alphabetical order. We're going to look for Shockwave Flash Object. When we find it, select it, OK. Your mouse cursor has now turned into a crosshatch. This is where we're going to embed the video. First, we need to make a window for it. So if you click and hold and drag about the size that you want your video to play, release, and you have a big white window with an X in it. We can move this around as needed, place it where we want it. So now we need to tell this window what it's going to play. And in order to do that, we go back to our notepad and let's select our edited URL, Control-C to copy it. We can minimize this. And we'll come into the window where we want the video, right-click, go to Properties, where it says Movie, we're going to select in there, Control-Paste, close. Now we've changed the properties of this window to play our YouTube video, but we're not seeing it until we go to the slideshow view. So click on slideshow view, play from current slide, and notice how our video plays, and it plays automatically because we had given it the instructions to auto play. So now you have it. You've got a taste of using Visual Basic from Microsoft, a relatively easy to learn programming language.